Let us try to go with the second question, second requirement here. It's the second one. Top 20 rated movies. Can you tell me what we have to do now? What files are required and what we have to do now? Top 20 rated movies. And there is one condition again. The movie should be rated by or viewed by at least 40 users. That is, the ratings number of ratings must be at least 40, and among them we have to get the top 20 rated movies. So the output, we have to get these two columns. What is that? The first column has to be movie title, and the second column has to be the rating for it. Movies underscore ratings 1 dot show of 10. So from this 7 columns are there, we require, let me call the some m2 or mr2. Thus movies ratings 2 equal to movies underscore ratings 1 dot select. What are the columns that we require for this question now? We require title, rating. That is one, rating. We require a rating. So we shall select these three columns into mr2. So mr2 r2 dot show of 10. So we got three columns. Now what is that we have to do now? We need to find the count of user ID. We need to group the data based on title, first one. So we need to make a count. We need to find the count of user ID. And what about the rating? How do we get a rating for a particular movie? What operation we need to perform to get the rating of for a particular movie? So let me write this mr3 equal to mr2 dot first group by title, and followed by aggregation of first aggregation is count of user ID. Let me call it as, give alias name to it, views, comma, another aggregation. What is another aggregation? What is that aggregation we need to do on rating? We get all the rating values of the particular movie. What is that aggregation we need to perform on rating? Is it the sum? Is it the sum? The ratings are 1 to 5. The rating values are, is it the count? Okay, I will give some use case. Suppose we have a movie, that movie is being watched by only 5 people. Let us say the movie is being watched by only 5 people, let us say, and the 5 people gave 5 rating. All the 5 people gave 5 rating. So what would be the average rating of that movie? What was the average rating? 5 people gave 5. Out of all the people gave 5, 5, 5. The yeah.
Karnakar, can't we able to filter the movies based on the number of user IDs? Because as such, like, you're looking for group by user ID should be greater than 48 count of user IDs.
Yes.
Initially, if we can able to filter that first, and we
no. See this here. See this here. Here we are grouping the data. After grouping, we get some a set of values for user ID. We get set of values for rating. Okay, we get set of values for user ID. We get set of values for rating. When we group the data based on title. So after grouping the based on title, we have to perform some aggregation on user ID, some aggregation on rating. Otherwise, we should group it. But we have to get the rating also. With grouping, we have to get rating as well as user IDs both. But we cannot leave this rating. If we just leave rating here, we don't get the value data of rating, right? If we try to filter it now, we don't get the value of rating. We don't get the data of rating. We lose the data. So first let us try to perform, later we shall go with that filter operation. That is, I use average instead of sum. I think we have to use average. If 5 people have watched the movie and if everyone has given 5, the average will be equal to 5. And let us say the same is moving, another movie is watched by 10 people, let us say. So they gave the rating as some 2. They gave the rating as, everyone gave the rating as 2. So what is the average rating here? What will be the average rating? 2 only. Is it 10? Is it 10?
No, 2.
No, 2 only. Average rating is the number of count, the 20 by 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 20 by, sorry, not by 2, by 10. The number of people, that's 10. So by 10, that will be equal to, by 10, that will be equal to 2. So here Which movie we shall consider as highly rated? The movie with high rating. High rating in the sense, the even though number of people are less, the number of views may be less, but the rating must be high. So we need to go with average. Instead of going with some, we need to go with average. So average of rating. Average of rating. Let us call this as what do you call as movie rating. Let me give some alias name to this movie rating. Movie rating. I think this is fine. Sorry, here title, in title we missed this double quote. Instead of double quote, we have a single. Yes, this fine now. Okay. Now here, okay, just let us see what is the output of this. MR3 dot show of some 10. So we did not apply that condition. That is, movie must be watched by at least the number of views must be 40. We did not do that. Let us apply that later. So this is how we get the title, views, and movie rating. Now we can filter it. Now we can apply the filter condition where the number of views must be at least 40. Number of views must be at least 40, and we need to arrange them in descending order. Why? Because we require the top 20. We need top 20, isn't it? We need top 20 first. So here itself dot. Now in order to apply filter operation, use where views is greater than or equal to 40, isn't it? The views must be at least 40, so greater than or equal to 40, and followed by order by again. Order by views. Which order? Descending order. Otherwise, let me go with this in the next operation because it may create confusion here. Where views are greater than or equal to 40. Again, something wrong. Sorry. Is there any problem here? Where views are. Sorry. This is not the syntax. This is the syntax of it. Okay. Where views are greater than or equal to 40. Now, if you try to print this MR3, so the number of views will be at least 40. Only those records we are going to get. Yes, that's it. Okay. And from this, now we need to arrange this data in descending order. We need to arrange this just in descending order. And what is that we have to do after descending order? We need to select only the top 20 rows. So val sum MR4 equal to MR3 3 dot order by. Order by what? Order by descending order of. What is the descending order of which column? Views. Okay, descending order of views. And limit. How many records we want? Top 20 only. So limit of 20. That's it. Yes. So MR4 dot show of 20. It will show the top 20 records. This is the fulfillment of the first one. So movie rating is there, right? So the first movie, American Beauty, topmost movie 3428. Number of views are 3428, and the average rating is 4.31. Didn't we arrange it in ascending order?
No, we ordered on the views, but we have to order on ratings.
Yes, sorry, yeah. We need to order the based on not views, rating, movie rating. Is it fine now? Movie rating, limit of 20. Right, it should work now. So the average rating must be 4.6. Yes, fine, it is correct now. So the first movie Sanjuro is being watched by only 69 views. The number of views are only 69, but the average rating is 4.6. The average rating is 4.6. And Seven Samurai, some second movie, that is being watched by 628, but the average rating is 4.5 only. So this is the data we got. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time.